fort.
Let's take pictures of my hair.
Why is that you?
Let her be.
You really don't like it?
Let her be a female dog. I think she's a male.
Jasmine, I think you have a bald spot right there.
I already see you pointing the camera
Oh,
at
look,
me.
it's right there.
Jasmine, you have a bald spot right there.
Is it supposed to be red right there?
No, it's supposed to be brown.
What's red?
Are those little animals supposed to be moving in there?
Screw you and the people living under your bosses.
People living under my what?
Oh, it's back.
That's sick. What the
You
hell?
and the people living under your balls.
We just be like went over.
Well, I know, a little louder, Jasmine, they didn't hear you.
I know, huh? It doesn't even say lunch or anything. It's just breakfast and nice sweets and knife and fork.
I'm gonna put you guys on YouTube. Under Chicken Little. What are you singing?